Now let's see how to manage your open trades. Every time you buy a token, and if it's not sold yet 100%, then it's going to stay here in the trade section. Here we can review all your open trades and monitor the token you're holding. The unrealized P&L, meaning how much profit or loss you would make if you sold. The realized P&L, if you already partially sold part of this trade. The amount originally bought and its value in dollars, and the number of tokens. Here, the price or market cap at which you bought and the current one. You can switch from price to market cap by clicking here. Here is the age, meaning how long you've been holding, or you can switch it to the timestamp when you bought. You can perform some actions on your open trades, like doubling up the trade, meaning buying again to double the position. You can also sell all using the quick buttons. If you click here, you get more options. You can open the sell modal or buy more with advanced settings. You can edit the trade by changing parameters, cancel it, merge it with others, duplicate, or share it. We will cover each of these in separate videos. In this video, we want to show you how to check the details of a trade. Once you click on a trade, you will see its details. At the top, you see the main information about the token. Below that, information about the trade, including the trade ID. This is important because it is usually required when getting help from support. You also see the wallet used for the trade and the amount of fees you've paid. The unrealized P&L is shown here and is live tracked. This is the profit or loss you would make if you sold now. The realized P&L is 0 in this case because the position is fully open. If you had sold partially, it would appear here. You can also see the initial amount bought in Solana, in tokens, and the current value reflecting the live price. Below, you have the chart, but the most important part we want to show today is the orders section. Image a trade like a box of suborders, which could be buy or sell orders. Here you can see 2 executed buy orders and their corresponding price and market cap at execution. You can also see the exact execution time and the block number. If you click on the block, you can view the transaction on SolScan, and you also have the transaction hash to check it directly on-chain. Below, you see a buy limit order. This is a planned order that has not been executed yet. It will be executed when the price reaches the level shown here or the market cap shown here. This is essentially a limit order or DCA, which is automatically managed by Mizar and executed once the set threshold is reached. You can see the expiration time here. After that, the buy limit will be cancelled, or you can cancel it manually by clicking this button. Below, you can see other planned orders, which are the take profit and stop loss. These are embedded in the trade settings and can be changed at any time. Here, Mizar is waiting for the price to reach plus 20% from your entry to sell the first take profit. You can see how many tokens will be sold at that level, in this case, half of the position. Below that, there is another take profit at plus 40%, where the rest of the trade will be sold. Below that, you see the stop loss at minus 50%, meaning if the price drops 50% from your entry, Mizar will automatically close the trade for you. You can also see a small green icon here. This is the auto retry feature, meaning if a take profit fails for any reason, Mizar will automatically retry the execution on the next block. Last but not least, you can visualize all of this directly on the chart. You can see the executed buy orders as green bubbles with their exact execution prices. You can also see the average buy price, which is calculated automatically if you use DCA. In this case, since there are 2 DCA buys, the average price is between those 2 buys. You can also visualize the limit buy levels, the take profit levels, and the stop loss below.